Hello my friends, this is Quinn, that's Snazzy iPhone Guy, and I have a bit of a questionnaire for you. This is a matter of personal preference. Don't base what you think on everyone else's comments. This is just you. As many of you know, I have an application in the App Store called The Essentials of Magic. It's a magic tutorial video, and basically what it is it's an app that you download and you get an hour worth of video content. So basically what the app is it's a system, it's a menu, and when you click it, a video plays. So basically it's an application that's a glorified DVD. You know, it's not a huge game, it's just a series of videos, okay? Which is cool. But here's the thing. I'm going to be creating this new one called Looped, which by the way is going to be really crazy cool. It'll be $2.99, my most expensive application ever, but it'll be incredible. Live performances, I'm going to put a trailer out in a month or two. People just go wild. They scream, they shout, because this magic is just unlike anything else you've ever learned before. It's $150 worth of magic for $3. So that's pretty cool. But here's my question to you. Should I localize the application or make it an ad hoc version? Now if you're thinking, let me explain. I'm already going to have two versions. One will be looped and one will be looped HD for the iPad. I'm going to make two different versions because A, it's different, it's easy for my developer, and B, it alleviates some of the confusion, and C, the application won't be huge if I decide to localize that. Now if you're thinking, what now? Let's clarify, there will be an iPhone version and an iPad version. Now that we've got that out of the way, I'm going to show you what the localized version is. It will be an app with a menu, you click it, and the video plays instantaneously. There's no wait time, no delays, bam, you're ready, you're playing. The brightness is really high on this device, but forgive me. So we're running, all right? It's good to go. And I can jump anywhere in the video that I want. There's no wait time, and if I'm in mainland China, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no 3G signal, who cares? Because the video is on my device. So the pros of this are anywhere in the world because it's on your device. B, the video quality is very high, and C, there's absolutely no wait time. If I want to jump forward 30 seconds or jump back 30 seconds, as you probably would in Magic, I just scroll back, and there I am, I'm 30 seconds earlier. Excellent, right? Well, I can also do an ad hoc version. Now this is what I have displayed on my iPad. This is taken from the time I started this video. It's 2 minutes to load a little more than half of the video. Actually a little less. So that's the depressing part. It's very slow. And granted, I am uploading on the connection, so it's not really fast, but there's a lot of people in our country that don't have a fast connection. So you push play, and let's clear things up. The video quality on this is superb. This video is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The file itself, the video file, is like 70 something megabytes. So the video is full HD. It's unlike anything you'll probably ever see on the iPad. Beautiful, excellent, marvelous quality. It's so good that you can see all the blemishes and imperfections on my lovely face. Anyway, the point in case is you're on a huge display and this is beautiful. So here's the thing though. It's hosted on my website, on my server. So it's still an app, but when you click a video, it opens a link. It opens a QuickTime file. So let me display that for you. What you would do is you'd click on the link and it'd keep you in the app, but it loads this QuickTime little button. Now with the localized version, it starts automatically because it's on the device, like a movie on your iPad or iPod or iPhone. But with this, it's loading it from the web. So it's using Wi-Fi. So there's your first pro and con. It has to be on your device. You have to be connected to Wi-Fi or 3G. If you're not, you're really, quite honestly, SOL, and it sucks really bad because you need a Wi-Fi connection. Whereas this, anywhere in the world, it works because it's on the device. So this one is not hosted on the device. Well, what's the pro to this? The application itself is 2 megabytes versus 2 gigabytes. Now I'm exaggerating a little. The application itself will really be 2 megabytes, but if I were to put this all on an application and you just download it, it'd still be about a gig. So that's a lot of space. If you have a 16 gig iPad, that's 1/16 of your space. That's huge for an app that you'll probably use just a few times to learn. Granted, you can delete it after, but here's the problem. It takes a long time to download, a very long time to download, especially over Wi-Fi. And although you can use it anywhere in the world, that's a 16th of the spot on your iPad that's gone. Now, using this ad hoc version, it's loading right now as you can clearly see in the progress bar, but it's not on the iPad. If I'm in China, if I don't have a Wi-Fi spot, if I don't have 3G, it's not going to work. The second downside is it's kind of slow. If you've tried to zoom forward in a YouTube video, zoom backwards, you know how it is. It takes a second to go, wait, what a minute, where am I? So that's the same with this application. If you jump forward, that one works pretty seamless, so that's a bad example. Oh, crap. You know, guys, I'm just too good and it's working too well. Okay, so once it's loaded, I guess it jumps pretty good. But if you jump forward in the video, which I don't know why you would with Magic, but if you jump forward, it's gonna take a few minutes to go, wait, where am I in this video? So give it a minute, it'll work, but it's gonna take a minute. So that's the problem. And then from there, it has to render. It's very glitchy because none of it is cached yet. So this is the underlying problem. You've got a beautiful high quality video, and my original problem was, if you use the Wi-Fi version, if you use the ad hoc version, so the video's not on your device, great, the application is tiny, but it's going to take a while to load, and it does. My other worry was that video quality won't be as good. I was sorely mistaken. It is beautiful. Now, just like YouTube, the 3G version, it's not very good. It looks beautiful on Wi-Fi, but on 3G it's just kind of So there's a downside too. But if you are interested in just learning Magic and you don't want to download a gigabyte application onto your hard drive, there you go. There's no problems, no damage done because it's getting it from the air. So basically, I'm going to go over the pros and cons of each. I know this is long in the tooth and I'm sorry, but here's the dilemma. Here's the situation. You could have a localized version, iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. The problem, the application is huge because all the video is stored on your device. The good things, you can jump forward in time and it works excellently. Video quality is superb anywhere, even if you don't have cell service. And that's the third thing, it's accessible from anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world, you can get this video. Absolutely no problem. So that's a huge plus, all right? The downside is it's huge. Now, if you were to get the iPad localized version, ad hoc version, and it will be available for iPhone and iPod Touch too. It's not on the device, so it's half a megabyte application. It's tiny. Here's the problem though, you have to stream the video. My servers aren't that fast, so if I get thousands of downloads and thousands of people are trying to watch it at once, it's going to get even slower than it already is. And I'm not ready to pay $250 a month for a premium server. There's the dilemma. The video quality looks great. It loads well. Well, not as good as if it's localized, but there's my dilemma. Write A or B. That's it. No comment, A or B, and then that's all I want to see in your comment. And if you're watching this video, I expect you to put something down. So if I get 173 views, I should get 173 comments. So what I want to see is A or B. A, make it localized. The application will be a gigabyte. But anywhere in the world it works, you can jump anywhere in the video, everything works, perfectly seamless, fast, easy, done. Or, it's a tiny application, half a megabyte, but you have to be in a Wi-Fi hotspot and you have to be getting pretty good bandwidth, and you'll still have to wait about 2 minutes before your video will get started. So that's the dilemma, that's the problem. Let me know, A or B. Thanks, this is Quinn, that's Snazzy iPhone Guy, and as always, stay snazzy. See you later.